Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Nasim from nasimreza.com. In this video, I am going to show you how you can make a e-commerce website using WordPress. If you are new to this channel, please do subscribe because it will help me to continue working on this channel. And if you are new and if you need a help and you are finding someone who is expert to build e-commerce website using WordPress, then you can contact with me. I will give a link on this video description, then you can book a meeting and I will help you. So no more talks, let's see how you can make a e-commerce website. For making any website, you must need to buy domain and hosting, and that should be connected and you WordPress install. And when you have done this task, then move on the next one, which is install theme. But before that, if you didn't buy your domain and hosting yet, then I will give a link on this video description, which is Namecheap. That is my favorite. You can buy any domain and hosting very cheap price. In 2025, you will see million of e-commerce friendly theme in the market. But I will choose the Woodmart, which is my favorite. This is actually the Woodmart theme from Theme Forest, which is my favorite, and you can see 19,000 plus sales and 4.92 rating, so which is very popular theme, and you can make your professional looking e-commerce website by using this. Okay, so this is actually a premium theme. Always I recommend to you, if you are serious about e-commerce business, then you have to must buy a premium theme, because you will get a lot of free theme, but they have a lot of obstacle or lot of downside. But for premium theme, you will get a lot of flexibility with it and with awesome features. So that's why always I recommend to you guys, just buy a premium theme for starting your e-commerce business. Okay, so when you buy this theme, you will find it in your download section. Just you have to download and install WordPress file only. Just download this file and save it on the desktop, and then you have to go log in your WordPress site, and then you have to go on the appearance, then theme. Okay, and here you can see my Avada theme already installed and the 2020 is installed. So when you want to add new theme, just click on add new. Then this theme we already bought and we already save it on our desktop, so that's why we need to upload it. Okay, so just choose a file and go to desktop and select that theme file and click open, and then hit install. Within few seconds this theme will install in your WordPress dashboard, and you can use their ready to use pre-built template. That why I actually love that. So let's wait and see this theme will open. And if you want to check, then you can see the live preview. Then you will see the professional looking website. So this is loading, and here you can see this is their official preview theme, and here is it's a 89 pre-built website design already available for your business. So and all are very professional. Okay, so you can pick anyone and you can make your website. Let's see. Yeah, our theme is now ready. Let's activate it. So you can see our theme is now active, and this is the Woodmart option that we are seeing here. And first of all, when you install any premium theme, you must install recommended plugin. Just click on here, you'll see what type of plugin we need to install, they will actually recommend us. So after that, let's see how our website is now. So our website is now look like this. Okay, so we have to install this all theme, all plugin, then our website actually will look good. And let's see the preview of pre-built site, and here you can see this pre-built is activated, and if you want you can remove content. So WooCommerce, Woodmart Core and WooCommerce, they recommended. So let's install Woodmart Core and WooCommerce for installation, or WooCommerce, like we want to sell our business through WooCommerce, right? So that's why of course we have to install this plugin, and our website will change when we will install all the theme. Okay, and you can easily pre-build, you can easily upload any pre-built site. For example, if you want to import this site or this one, just click on import, this website will install instantly. For example, let's say event agency, just install it. Here you can see within one click this template already started to install, and it will take few time for updating all the element and installing. And you can see it's doing very fast. And of course, when we will buy a theme, you have to activate it. So in this theme license section, there will you will find a option. Just you have to upload your key on there, and then this theme will update it. And here you can see it say our content has been updated. So let's reload our website. Okay, so you can see this actually content is not available in our website, so that's why it's looking like this. But I always do prefer a Woodmart main this theme for making Woodmart theme. Okay, so this is actually the e-commerce website look, and if you go you can reload it this page. So let's open on the next page. So this is our current look of Woodmart theme. So this is not good, we need to figure it out. Okay, first of all, the main thing is you have to install all the plugin, and then you need to install all the, for example, we didn't install the Elementor, so that's why our website is not looking good. So let's install all, and don't worry, I will fix it. So let's install all the plugins, and then we have to activate our theme, because we are still in trial mode. That's mean Woodmart didn't get we activated. Okay, and it's slider installed. So now let's reload it. So it will actually take few times sometimes to look good. So after that, let's go to preview pre-built website again and install another template from here. So for example, developer. So this is actually downloading very fast. And here you can see this is the WooCommerce that we already installed, and it's showing us to order. So this WooCommerce actually the function to sell or configure any product, etc. Okay, so this is the product section. You can add new product, you can linked variant, all the feature you will find with these two sections. Okay, so let's refresh again, and here you can see our website is now looking good one, like slowly. Okay, so when you will activate the theme and install pre-built theme again, then your website look like this complete. So that is actually the demo view. Always you have to remove the product and you have to add the product, so then you will see this final look of this website. Okay, so you can see this is the option to add product, and this kind of product already install through this pre-built website and publish on my website. Okay, so that's all for today. If you found this video was useful, then hit the thumbs up because it will help me to continue working on this channel. And don't forget to subscribe. See you on the next one. Till then, bye. Have a great day.